It is Friday, June 21st, 2019. It's about 8:04 p.m. Don't know how accurate that is. Anyway, this is my new GoPro that I got for my birthday a few days ago. It's all charged up, and about everything I need for it is in this little Ziploc bag here. The charger is in the closet, so that's the only thing that's missing in that little bag. There's the power button right there. Turn it on. It has much better quality than this camera. And it's the record button right there. Pretty neat little thing. Gonna go outside and test it on the air conditioners as soon as I'm done making this video. But yeah, this is my brand new waterproof GoPro. So I will definitely be making underwater videos this summer. Oops. Wrong button. Trying to turn it off. So there we have it. So my next video will be with this sweet thing right here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back.